Okay guys, welcome to my new video how to get unlimited traffic from YouTube without creating videos. Of course, this traffic for free. With this method, guys, you can get thousands of traffic from your channel, and of course, you can earn some cash every single month without do nothing. Okay, so first, all you have to do is create your new channel. If you have a channel, it's okay. If you don't have a channel, YouTube channel, you can create, of course, for free. Before I am show you the method, I want to show you my traffic from YouTube. You can see here last 28 days I get over 86,000 visitors views to my videos, and of course a lot of these views, a lot of these visitors visit my affiliate links. You can of course promote any affiliate link. You can promote your website using YouTube. You can promote anything. Okay, so you can see here my earning. I make from this channel 200 to 300 every single month on autopilot. It's amazing method, and if you use this method now, if you start today, you can make this money and you can get free traffic to your affiliate links. Let's go here to real time. This is the real time, and you can see every hour I am getting over 100 visitors. Okay, you can see here my statistic. This is real time. Okay, you can get unlimited visitors to your links for life. All you have to do is upload some videos. Now look, you don't have to worry about videos and make videos. I will show you exactly how to get unlimited videos, make money niche. Okay, this is a make money videos niche. All you have to do is download these videos and upload to your channel and get free traffic to your affiliate link and earn some cash. Okay, so all you have to do, step number one is create your YouTube channel, and if you already have one, it's okay. You can upload to your channel videos. So let's start. First, you have to go to YouTube. You can see here, this is the link, youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net. Okay, this is the link, and you have here some videos, some packages that you can download and upload to your channel. Okay, all you have to do is download this package. You have here over 30 videos, make money in each, that you can download for free and use it for free, and upload to your channel. And of course, don't forget to put your affiliate link in the description below every video you upload. Okay, so I want to show you how to upload videos to your YouTube. I want to show you one example so you can upload one video to your channel. So let's start. So let's go to my channel and click here. You can see upload. Okay, this is the place that you can upload videos. All you have to do is select file to upload and go to the videos that you just download from the page. Okay, so all you have to do is click the videos and upload. Okay, now don't forget here you have to put, let's take my landing page. Okay, so first you have to put your link in the description. Then you can see here the title. You can take all the title and put also in the description. Of course, you can add more keywords here or some text. Okay, relevant text you can add here, and of course this link copy and put in your keywords. Okay, you can put here in keywords. You can take some from your title, how to get real traffic, and put here traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, and put here. You have to put here, you can put here 8 keywords, and then all you have to do is publish. Now look, before you publishing, if you want to get money from YouTube AdSense earning, so all you have to do is monetize with ads. Okay, so you have to go to monetization and click so you can get a commission from YouTube. Okay, that's all guys. Remember, you have to upload unlimited videos that you can download from this page, upload to your channel, put some you don't have to touch the title. Okay, all you have to do is copy and put in the description. Don't forget your link or your affiliate link, and put some keywords and then click publish. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you need any help, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload more videos to my YouTube channel, so you will I will update every method. I will give you unlimited tricks and method how to get traffic to your affiliate link to your website. And I will upload more videos how to make money online and how to succeed online. Thank you again for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and good luck. Thank you.